Hello, good people. Welcome to day 8 of our daily Python test. So, we're continuing from where we were yesterday. Today's challenge is quite simple, although lengthy description here. They say we should create two functions. One will add dots, the second one will remove dots, like add dots inside a string. Any string that is being passed in, it will put dots in between the text. And yeah, we can assume that none of the strings contain any dots. So that makes it way too easy for us. So let's make this happen. First off, we create our function as we've always been doing, add dots. Now we allow it taking, we can call it string, we can call it whatever. So taking a parameter, that's that string. Now since that's done, what next? We want to add dots into it. So it's quite simple. Return, then this is it all. You create a string with the dots because this is what we want. The join string. This is just the syntax. This join class now takes in whatever you said, like we create maybe a string here or whatever, and we want it to join it into this our string here, which was the parameter that was passed in. So that's just what we're doing here. This is all. Now if we test this out, we can say does, and then we can just say a test like what they said here. Let's make this a string, and then let's print this out so that, yeah, let's just run code, test this out, see that it works. Voila, works like a charm. Now since that works, let's create the second function. Second function should be named remove dots. So again, we pass in a parameter, same string parameter, and then we return. Now for the second one, we want to check in between them and remove the dots. But this time around, we're going to, instead of removing dots, we'll replace the dots with empty spaces. So I think that works best. So let's just do this. String dot replace. We have this class in Python called replace. So then this class takes in two parameters. The first one is what you want it to replace, what you want to remove, and then what you're replacing it with. This is how it works. With this, I'm very sure we're done with this challenge. So let's run code and see if this goes. Done. So see you tomorrow. Thanks for being here. Like, subscribe, share. We're getting harder challenges by tomorrow.